What's up everybody? Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the Jeep specific audio kits that we offer here at MB Quart. All of our Jeep kits are compatible with the Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 to the current model and Gladiator JT 2020 to the current model as well. While we have a variety of options, we are going to look specifically at the MB Quart Stage 6A. This tuned audio package is a 6-speaker, 800-watt OEM audio system upgrade, which utilizes your OEM source unit. It includes two 3.5-inch coaxial speakers, two 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers, two 6x9 coaxial speakers. All of this is going to be powered by two 400-watt Class D amplifiers. All of the accessories, harnessing, and wiring is included in this kit. It's all plug and play to minimize installation time and allow all users to install it in their own vehicle. First, we're going to be unboxing our mid-bass drivers. These will be the JW1-116E. As far as the surround and cone, these have a butyl rubber surround and provide durability and deeper mid-bass impact. The cone and surround connection utilizes a high-temperature adhesive which assures the cone and surround do not separate in high power uses or extreme weather. These speakers, as well as all of the speakers included in this kit, include vehicle-specific wiring harnesses and simple plug-and-play OEM-style installation. Next up, let's take a look at the JC1-169SB 6x9-inch speakers. These speakers also include an OEM match grille that seamlessly integrate into your Jeep. These rear coaxial speakers feature a tweeter that has a 1-inch magnesium dome with a removable phase lens. The crossover is at 6 dB. The frequency response is 45 Hz to 23 kHz, giving you a full range of frequency capability. Moving along, we're going to check out the JC1-108 3.5-inch tweeters. These will mount in the front upper dash. These 0.75-inch titanium dome tweeters feature a crossover at 6 dB high pass. The frequency response is 100 Hz to 22 kHz, providing you full range in the high frequency spectrum. This entire kit is powered by two 400-watt high-efficiency Class D compact NA2 amplifiers with onboard equalization. Just like all the other components, they also utilize the plug-and-play connections. Next up, we have the Amp Pro 4. This will simplify your installation with or without a factory amplified sound system. It provides variable volume, fade, balance, bass, mid, and treble audio settings. Finally, the MBQJ-STG6A-1 provides all of the additional wiring and harnessing to connect the whole system together. This includes speaker connections, amplifier connections, and so forth. It also includes an additional amp bracket. And that wraps up our MB Quart Jeep Stage 6 tuned audio system. To learn more about this kit or all of our Jeep audio systems, head over to mbquart.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.